guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial and I just did some two cute braids. I've done this hairstyle a dozen times. It's one of my go-to hairstyles, but I went ahead and did it. So I am wearing a 20-inch frontal and I am wearing 4 bundles of 28-inch, and this is deep curly, and I'm wearing hair from Supernova hair. I'll have their information listed down in the description box below. Why am I stuttering? Anyways, if you guys are interested in watching how I got my hair to look like this, keep on watching. Also, this is a wig that I created. I just like glued the tracks onto the wig. It's like a little bonding wig or whatnot. If you guys are interested in seeing how I would make this wig, comment down below and let me know. All right, if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be cutting around the lace, and I'm just cutting around my ears so that there's not really lace over my ears. So that's the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do. Once I've cut around my ears, I'm going to go ahead and begin to part my wig in the middle. I'm basically parting it in the middle just so I can make sure it comes on evenly and it's split perfectly in the middle, versus if it was on the side part, it might end up being uneven. So I like to part it in the middle to make sure it's like perfectly placed on. And as I'm going and parting it in the middle, I'm going ahead and parting through with the hot comb just to get it to have a flatter look. Then I'm taking my wax stick and just slicking that part and defining my middle part with my hot comb. So I did go ahead and cut the lace off camera just because it's really difficult to cut it on camera. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my first layer of Ghost Bond glue. And I'm going to be doing my full perimeter. Usually I only do it in 3 sections. But today is one of those days where I'm just doing 2 coats, well 3 coats. And I'm going to be just doing it on the full rim. I'm not going to be splitting it up into 3 parts. Now that the glue is fully turned clear, I'm going ahead and placing it on my forehead, and I'm lightly tapping it in. I'm not pressing it too hard, but I am pressing it enough. I'm going to go ahead now and just reapply some more glue on the corner pieces. Now I'm just going ahead and cutting off any extra laces that are just in the way and I really don't need. I'm going ahead and doing little parts that are lifting up. If there are any parts, you guys need to make sure you guys always glue it down. It's because once you do your baby hairs, if the lace is still lifting up, then it will lift up and roll back while you're brushing your baby hairs. So you want to make sure everything's fully glued down. I'm going ahead and adjusting my part one more time while it's on my head. So now that everything's fully glued down, I'm just flicking it down with my hot comb one more time, and I'm gonna go ahead and begin my baby hairs. So today I'm not gonna be doing a front swoop. I'm going to just be pushing that center part back a little bit, and I'm going to be using the yellow Got To Be gel. So I'm going ahead and pulling out my pieces of my baby hairs, and I'm basically going to continue on my baby hairs routine as regular. Only differences in this routine is that I'm not doing a middle part. I'm not doing a middle front swoop, and I actually just slicked that up. So if you guys are interested in my full baby hairs tutorial, then it'll be linked in the description box. I'm going to go ahead and just skim through this part. Alright, y'all, so I'm now doing my last baby hair, and I'm going to be kind of doing that little swirl thing with the sideburns. That's like my new thing that I've been doing. I love it for my baby hairs. I'm now going to go ahead and just put some grease on my baby hairs so they don't end up being flaky or too crispy. And today I decided I'm going to be styling my hair in 2 braids, so I'm going to go ahead and just braid it back. I can't really explain how to braid. I just go with the flow. So I'm just going to be putting my hair into 2 braids. So now I finished my braids. I'm just going in with my hot comb, and I'm putting a little bit of makeup on my middle part like I would do regularly. I'm also going to be spraying some spritz on it and some oil sheen, and then just pressing it out with my hot comb just so it can have like that sleek final finished look. And I wet it up a little. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look of the hair. So I just went ahead and put it in 2 braids. I am wearing a 20-inch frontal, 4 bundles, a 28-inch, and this is hair from Supernova hair. So I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see it. So today I kind of did my baby hairs a bit different by doing that no baby hair front part right there. So I kind of actually like it. I think it's a little different, but it is like cute and whatever. And I did me a little curl baby hair right there. So yeah, so this is hair from Supernova hair. I'm wearing deep curly hair. I'll have all the information in the description box below so you guys can check them out and see if I have a coupon code with them. Yeah, so comment down below, let me know other things you guys want to see me do, other company you guys want to see me work with, or anything like that. Thank you guys for watching.